Hello everyone, welcome back to Gstar TV. In our previous videos, we have seen HTML, which is used as a structure of website. But HTML only look simple and boring. So today, we are going to starting CSS, which is used to make a website beautiful and professional. We are going to see CSS, which means Cascading Style Sheet. CSS property, we see it inline style, applying style to web page using inline style, and another style of CSS which called internal style, applying style using internal CSS, we even style tag key CSS properties. We see font color, height, width, borders, padding, margin, text decoration, background color, etc. So cascading style sheet called CSS is a simple mechanism for adding style, example, font color, layout to web document. Style provide powerful control over presentation of web pages. When you combine HTML and CSS, when we work together to produce beautiful and functional website. This is their target when it combined CSS using the style to make beautiful web page or website. So HTML structure is structure, while CSS is style. CSS benefits, the importance of CSS: separate structure from presentation. We see it. Provide advanced control presentation. We see it. Easy maintenance of multiple page. It is usually this when you try to change using CSS. It is easily, we see. Faster page loading. Better accessibility for disabled users, and it is easy to learn as we will see it. Three different scope of CSS. 1. Local, confined single element tag. Internal, affect element in entire page. External, can affect multiple pages. Precedence, combine local, internal, and external. These are the three methods we are going to use in CSS for attaching style sheet. The first one is called inline style sheet. This is style that are in tags. CSS not attached in header, but it is used directly within HTML tags, as we explained that. This paragraph, it is tag, can set attribute while using style sheet CSS by setting the color. This is the first way is inline. Another way is internal style sheet. We use control style on one page. It is in header where we set there's a tag like h1 by using this for internal. The another one we see it is external style sheet, where you make HTML as file and make CSS as file, and then you combine it. It is best to use the control styling on multiple pages. with inline style. The syntax of inline style, I've seen it is doing in tag. This is tag name. So in the attribute we set style equal property like that, property like a color, background color, this dash, and the value set, then comma, this quotation mark, and you can make some text and closing that tag. For example, here paragraph with this style sheet in inline. This is my web page, then closing paragraph. First of all, I'm going to make file called css.html. So after do that, you have seen white extra mark and press enter. So now we are going to see inline CSS style sheet. It is inline because it is make inside of tag name. So let's start with h1. As we know, welcome to our page. Then make paragraph which called the list of product. This is HTML. As we have seen, this is HTML. So can set inline will come in a tag line. So we write style equal property. Let's use color and set the color blue. As you see, set the color blue. Welcome to our page. See the using style. This is style inline. Here we can set another style. Use font size like 24 pixels. So you see the font size changes. Set another property like color, make it brown. You see it is changed. So you can set more in inline. I have started to see CSS is beautiful to web page because it's making good styling and make good design. So The why people don't favor this inline, they require to set the properties for each tag name, while the other use it when you set p and you set font size and color, all paragraph will be behave like the same. While for inline, when I write paragraph here, there's no paragraph p does not it is need the paragraph does not change it's like nothing set it. While the other they be set is the automatically. While here you need the unique for can set unique, the good things can set unique. So let's make a list. As to make a list we have seen, that's why I am going to copy and paste that, copy and paste here. We are going to use inline for designing and setting this list. To make this an ordered list, so going to delete this and write the style. So we are going to set style paste style type, can set circle. You see this make as a circle, can so for make font size yeah, if you use large, or we can set like 18 pixels. So you can set pending, pending. Pending like a 20 pixel. So let's use like 15 pixel. Yeah, 5 pixel. Use 8. Then can set any height like 1.8 pixel. Mhm. Then I think it's enough here. Can set the color for inline. Style style color. Let's use this for this. So you see it is good because you set for unique. So now we can set the style, color, like this. See the color change. This is what we call inline. This is their uniqueness. Can make like that. You see the CSS we are enjoying. I think we are enjoying the CSS now because the CSS is designed for designing a web page look more attractive. Alright, that are the introduction of CSS, the CSS basics, the introduction of CSS. Please don't forget to subscribe. See the next video. Continue to learn CSS until you get professional. So, peace and love.